listen and read. The most unusual jobs in Britain. Let's find out about some really amazing and unusual jobs in Britain. The Raven Master. The Tower of London has 6 ravens. There's a story that the Tower of London is safe only if the ravens are there. So, the Raven Master looks after the ravens. He always wears a black and red uniform and a hat. In this photo, he is feeding a raven. Ravens eat meat, fruit, and they love cheese. The Queen's Piper. The Queen's Piper must play from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. for about 15 minutes under Her Majesty's window when she is at Buckingham Palace, Windsor Castle, or Balmoral Castle. In this picture, he is wearing a kilt. A professional tea tester. You must train for 5 years to be a professional tea tester. Then you can travel the world trying different types of teas. In the picture, the tea tester is using a long spoon to try one of the 300 cups of tea she has every day.
Fun fact: do you know ravens are very clever? They can sometimes learn to say words.